Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, dear friends. Today we are going to see some more Kootaksharangal, which is the compound letters in Malayalam. So let us see them. The first letter Nga, Nga, and the example words are Pangu, Pangu. Pangu means share or contribution, share or contribution. Tangam, Tangam, Tangam means gold. Tangam means gold, and it is usually used as a synonym of gold, but the thing is that it is the pure version of gold, which is 24 carats. Usually gold, the ones we get in jewelry, is 22 carats. So Tangam is the pure form of gold. Pangu Tangam, Pangu Tangam, and the letter is Nga, Nga. Next one is Inja, 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 and the example words are Inji, Inji, which is ginger, Sanji, Sanji, which is bag. So Inji, Inji, ginger, and Sanji, bag. The letter is Inja, Inja. Unda, 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 and the example words are Chenda, Chenda. Chenda is a percussion instrument usually seen in South India. Usually, if you come to Kerala or Tamil Nadu, you can definitely see the percussion instrument here in Kerala or Tamil Nadu. That is Chenda, Chenda. Nyand, Nyand is crab. Nyand is crab. So Chenda and Nyand. The letter is Nda, Nda. Okay. Next one is Nda, Nda, Nda. And the example word Enda, Enda. Enda means what? Enda, what? Next word is Chanda, Chanda. Chanda means market. Chanda means market. So Enda, Chanda. The letter is Nda, Nda. So the next letter is Umba, 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 and the example words are Kombu, Kombu, which means horn. Kombu means horn, like horn as in animals. Ambu, Ambu means arrow. Kombu, Ambu, and the letter is Umba, Umba. Okay, so those were 5 Kootaksharangal for today. I think going slowly and giving small chapters daily is helping you a lot rather than giving a lot to learn. Okay, so we'll continue like this. So this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this really well. So as always, please like this video, and if you think this will be helpful for anyone else, please share this video. And if you're here for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Namaskaram.